Welcome back, everybody. So what we have today here is the Calfit wireless Bluetooth earphones, included with 3 months unlimited training plans. So these are supposed to be fit or fitness oriented wireless earbuds, true wireless earbuds. All right, as you can see, they do not come in the case. They come in this all plastic wrapping right here. And they got some extra ear tips. You got a small, medium, and large. The mediums actually fit me pretty well. I think the large ones would probably fit better and provide a better seal, but the mediums actually fit my ear canals pretty well. Let's start off with this charging cable right here. I've never seen one like this before. So you got USB and it's split to 2 micro USB. So you charge them just like that because they don't have a case. So you just plug these bad boys in. Let me see. Yeah, so you just plug these bad boys in just like this, and you plug them into your power supply, which would be maybe your phone charger or a computer. It takes them about an hour and a half to charge to 100%, and you get approximately 3 hours of playing time out of them. That's where we get to what this is about: true wireless earbuds for fitness. So being that they're for fitness, I would assume that these are rated IPX something. I don't see an IP rating anywhere on here, but we do have these charging ports exposed, man. They are fully exposed. So I'm really not sure about sweating in these things, man. It kind of worries me as far as how long they're gonna last after you sweat them out pretty good. As far as functionality, getting them connected to my phone was not a hard thing to do. You basically turn them both on, hold it for 3 seconds, the light starts flashing red and blue, they connect to each other, and then you pick up your phone, and then you go through your Bluetooth settings, and then it'll connect. They're connected to each other. The problem I have with these is when they're playing, just like right here, let me see. When they're playing right here in your hands, even, okay, it's happening right now. Let me see. I don't know if you can hear that, but on one earbud, as soon as I put them on my ears, this one starts cutting out, it starts chopping. I don't know, maybe my brain has something crazy going on in it. I don't know if it's happening here. There it goes again, it's cutting out. So it kept cutting out. I cannot get them to, okay, play and pause, you just tap the button once on either one. And you can use them independently. As far as calls, I don't even know. I couldn't get past the music listening. As soon as I put them on my head, they start cutting out on one ear. It actually was, when I was testing them out, it was my right ear, but it's the same earbud that keeps cutting out. So I don't know if you're gonna have that problem or not. Now, they do come with an app attached to them. So you can do your QR code scanner and go to the app. I tried to search for Calfit in the Play Store. It did not come up, so I had to use the QR scanner. But the app is pretty cool. It has a ton of workouts in there. The only problem I have with it is it's more geared for runners. It uses your phone's location and it will coach you along your run, but it only uses GPS, so it doesn't do heart rates or anything like that. It just kind of coaches you along to keep you motivated. Now, it does have traditional workouts in there with lifting weights and stuff like that, but it just starts off by telling you it's day 1. Today I want you to perform 16 deadlifts. Doesn't tell you how much weight you should use, or, you know, it's not a very intricate, detailed app. It's more of a kind of on the surface app. And I think it could use a little bit more work as far as what it has available in it, but I think they are on the right path. Now, as far as the app goes, it's moving. I'm pretty sure there'll be some updates. As far as these earbuds go, the sound quality, I never got into that. The sound quality is actually pretty good. It's a pretty good sound quality. Good bass, good mids and highs. It's just cutting out in one ear. They're impossible to listen to at this point. I don't know if it's just mine. Hopefully you get a pair that actually works for you, but if you're looking for these for fitness, you might want to double check to see if you can find the IPX rating, because I worry about this openly exposed charging port right here. There should be a flap right here keeping it away from the elements, which happen to be a lot of sweat if these are fitness geared earbuds. So that's my take on the Calfit earbuds. If you're in the market for some fitness earbuds, I don't know, maybe you're looking at these and you want to use your app, but there's a lot of apps in the Play Store and then the app stores. I'm not sure what you would actually want to use, but these do come attached to that, and that's what they're for. As far as sound quality, I definitely give them a thumbs up. As far as connectivity, my experience has not been good at all, but I'm no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews, but for right now, I'm gonna have to put these down. But before y'all get out of here, go ahead and tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.